This is my friend Daniel Torres. He has broken several Mexican backstroke records. We recently went to film his stroke and realized that he was swimming backstroke wrong. Chances are, a lot of us are doing the same mistakes, so stick around to see how you can improve your backstroke technique. We shared some of these tips on our Instagram page before this video, and we had a great response, so make sure you follow us there if you don't want to miss anything. Backstroke is not an easy stroke, especially because you don't see how you're pulling water. On the other three strokes, at least you see part of your stroke. Because of this, you could go years and years pulling water wrong. This happened to Dan. See, at the beginning of the stroke, he was pulling water outwards, then extending his arm too far out, giving him little leverage. At the end of his stroke, he was pulling water inwards. Now, even with those mistakes, he could swim 25.9 in the 50 backstroke long course and 55.9 in the 100 backstroke long course. This is because he does a lot of things right, but in order to go faster, he has to perfect his technique. After 3 hours of us filming and swimming drills, we made a little bit of progress. We mainly worked on bending the elbow a little bit more. This seemingly small change gave him a better initial angle to pull water and a better leverage in the middle and main part of the pool. One of the things he noticed is that it was way easier to swim this way, but it didn't feel right. That is because he has spent 20 years applying wasted effort while swimming backstroke. One of the things to note here is that he corrected a little bit his technique while going slow. Chances are that if he were to swim fast, he would go back to his old inefficient stroke technique. But he knows that, and this is why he will put in the work to fix that. So we will have to wait and see if he breaks those records again in the future. If you want to follow his progress, follow him on Instagram at Dani Torres Sama. Today's featured product is one of our favorites and one of many swimmers' favorite, the Aztec swim cap. This was inspired in the pre-Columbian warrior culture, the Mexica as they call themselves, but more widely known as the Aztecs. Get yours by clicking here or at skillswimming.com and become an Aztec warrior, or just a skills and talents fan who likes to swim. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Swim fast!